Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, thinking about weddings and events, big structures, installations, and zip ties. They come in different colors, different lengths, different sizes, and it's the perfect thing to place it around a column or a structure to then hang your flowers. But what if they don't fit? The beauty, you can combine. Take two of them together and then just zip tie it so you can have any size that you need. Doesn't matter. Just pull it in. Then you can take even more. Maybe you need a whole bunch of them. Just lock them together, create a zip tie chain, and then you can lock that around. Whatever size column or structure you're trying to support, pull it in. Now you know how the pros do it.